All right, so let's get started. One more day. It's 8 a.m. For Thursday, January 18, 2024. Okay, so let's get started with the news. We do have news at 8:30 today, so we're going to. Oh, we don't. I was reading it wrong. So we do have at 10 a.m. So we do have at 10 a.m. We do have a consumer sentiment, and then existing home sales. So let's expect some volatility at 10 a.m. In the morning. So nothing 8 a.m. in pre-market. So let's wait and see what brings us for today. Let's go and get the levels. Gold did a nice move to the downside yesterday. I was saying in the analysis in the pre-market that my good target would be the 2000 level. It didn't really get there, although when it broke here, I took advantage of that move to the downside, and then I gave back a little bit because I was waiting for it to get to the 2000, but it really didn't. So yeah, now resistance or support became resistance, and let's see what we're going to do here. Let's see history, and I'm gonna I'm gonna go and shoot for the 2000 today as a level of support here. Who knows if it's going to do it, but that is going to be the level. Rounded number 2000, a little bit below this previous pivot. It's trying to move to the upside, but there is some resistance here at this level here. So I'm gonna leave it at 2020. So 2000 here and 2020 here. Yeah, I think that this is good. It's having a reaction here to this resistance level. Still a short-term downtrend. Even from here, you have lower highs and lower lows. A little bit of congestion in this area, but lower highs and lower lows. I made a new low here, and then so I would say that this is trying to get back to the downside and hopefully meet the 2000 level today. So that's gold. How about crude? Crude today is EIA. All right. Let me see here. I think I did not say it. Oh, I was looking at tomorrow. So yeah, wrong calendar. Sorry about that. So that's why I was so confused, because yeah, we do have an employment. It's really my fault on this one. So unemployment claims at 8:30. I was right on that. I saw this before, but I was wrong in the day. So it's actually today where we have at 8:30, and then we do have also natural gas at 10:30, and then crude oil here at 11. So also we do have the FOMC members. Bostic speaks today at 11:30. Also at 7 a.m. it's already passed, and that would be it for the news today. Okay, I was a little bit confused there, so apologize about that. So 8:30, we do have news at 8:30. So that could have a good impact in the markets today. Let's move crude here. We did have this 71.8 level to 79.9, but it really bounced off of this midpoint right here from yesterday, right? So mid-level in between our support here and resistance here, mid-level right there bounced and then moved to the upside, and this happened right around 10 a.m. Where it started to move. Now let's see what the levels are going to be for today, and I'm gonna go with let's see here. It's still in the range, so this chart is very difficult to read. I'm gonna enlarge this one here to yesterday's low, and then this one, it's actually I'm gonna go with 71 here. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put the round number 71, and then 73. It's actually in this range. I'm gonna go there to 70. Tempted to go to 73, but 74 is a little bit too large. So I'm gonna go with this top here, right there, which is 73. Still pretty big on the range. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that one, and here I'm gonna go with 71. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there. 370. I'm gonna probably 50 would be better, and 71 here. Difficult to read this chart, because it's been in the range, so you tend to go with the highest recent level right there, or these levels here. So so in between here, you really do have some good resistance at this point, and then some good support at these levels, but it's really hard to read. So if it's too big, then probably that would do it. It's still pretty large. Seems that it wants it. We'll see what is going to happen in the EIA report. Let's go to ES. So ES here, pretty nice move in the overnight. Let's see here. I'm gonna go with this. Let's see. There's an extension here and a resistance down here. So I'm going to go with that, and then in the upside, it's already gone. I'm gonna move this one. 47.50 there, and up here I'm going to go with this 47.90. It's already gone on the 90 and the 90, so I'm gonna go with 48. Pretty large range, but still 48, and then 47.50, and we do have a mid-level right there, right there. So that would do it, I guess. Yes, I'm gonna go with those levels. So pretty much very close to resistance here at 4,800. Already made a move to the upside. We'll see if it recovers back down, and then try to hit it again, and then see if it continues or fails. Okay. So let's watch. Let's see NQ. In NQ, we are above our yesterday's level here. It's right at it now. So let's see how it works with this one. 17 here and here. There's a pivot here that I would probably put there, and considering that this mid is also pointing in this to this support, or to that resistance now support. So let's see if that one would work. So levels are the rounded number 17, and then 50. Yeah, okay, I will leave it there. That's good. So what it did yesterday was, came back to this support, and then when the market opened, it continued moving down, hit this low at 16,687, and then came back, made a trend reversal breakout at the end of the day or in the afternoon. It really moves up here, and it was that kind of a range day, difficult to trade, I would say. This one here was nice, but so it started right at 9 a.m. when it moved to the downside. Right now it's recovering, and it's right at resistance. You do have some pretty good resistance area at this point. You see a lot of wicks there moving up on NQ. Let's see RTY. And let's give it a minute. Also in a range here. RTY has been moving down pretty nicely here, but it seems that today is recovering a little bit. Let's see. And so we do have support and resistance. Very well respected this support level at 1911. It was actually at 1900. 1905 was probably a better support level, but anyways, bounced off of that, and now it's going to support here. I'm gonna maintain these levels for today, and I'm going to put them right here. So same as yesterday, basically. And I'm gonna go a little bit below here, 10, to make it rounded number. 10. And then 45. I believe that it was 45 from yesterday. I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, so those are the numbers for, or the levels for. And then we do have some extension here and extension below. So take a look at those, or be cautious of those extension as well. This one is making lower highs and lower lows as well. So a kind of a little bit of counter trend in here. It's been moving down from these tops at 2100, coming back down. Okay, and let's check the time charts. I'll start with gold. Gold in the 240s making a bear flag right here. Also in the 60 minutes bear flag, I still have in mind this 2000 level support here. So probably a nice target for gold. Also bearish in the 2000 in the daily. Green momentum in the or turning green into this move in a counter trend, but really trying to make a bear flag right here. So we'll see what 830 does with the news. Bear flag also in the 30 minutes. Crude made an attempt to go up, but it's still very much in the range. Look at this, all of these failings. We will see what's going on, what is going to happen, if it's going to move with the EIA report today. So sideways, and this one is actually sideways as well. So in a triangle actually. From here to there, and then from here to trying to form here a bear move. Potential break to the downside, and it seems that it's moving back down. Yes, I'm gonna delete that, and then ES is also moving sideways, making a move to the upside here. Very much sideways move, and struggling here to decide if it's going to continue moving down or if it's going to continue moving up or down. Looking at the MFC and SPY, and it's defensive here, so it it's a more tendency to go to the downside, but still very much in a range move. Bullish in the 60 minutes in the short term here, so it has already moved, making this short-term trend reversal breakout right there all the way to the upside, and looking for the 4,800 target. Same in the 30 minutes. And NQ, still breaking our 1700 level, potentially going to 1757, right at the top of this previous resistance here. We'll see. Seems that wants to go to the upside in the 60 minutes. Also, right at resistance here at the 240, and then bullish short term in here already pretty much extended. Look at the momentum here on the 30 minutes. It's already all the way up there. So, but still that one looks bullish to me in all of this, but still in the channel. Look at all of this, doji candles, very much indecision in here. And finally, RTY. RTY is this one looks very bearish. Short term move to the upside, counter trend, and then support here at well, we discussed already a support level 45. So this one is in forming a move to the upside potential. If it reverses here, it's going to be a nice bear flag. right at support and bouncing off of the 50 simple moving average in the dailies. We'll see, but it's making a lower highs and lower lows and sideways trend in this and sideways move in these two last candles with very much resistance in this area right here. So 60 minutes counter trend, bearish in essence, but there was a trend reversal breakout right here. So heading potentially to the resistance there. Also, we do have the 200 moving average up above here at the same level of the resistance. So expect some congestion here and potential sideways move in RTY. Okay, let's go and put the Renko charts. See, nice move in the overnight in ES to the upside. Previous high is right up here. Making a week off of the 18 EMA. Momentum a little bit extended, very much extended, I would say. RTY sideways, hitting a couple of times the previous high in a crown formation here, so potential reversal to the downside in here, I would say. And crude coming back down and making a bounce off of this 34 EMA, moving sideways. And very much in a channel in the overnight. So 6 minutes to news, and I'm gonna put some music now. And waiting for the news to happen. Basically, I'm not gonna make any trades before the news. And so let's monitor that. 5 minutes and 30 seconds to news, actually. Okay, well, we wait. Let's look at the charts in Thinkorswim for this instrument. So gold moving down, uh, leaving a week here, potentially going back to the 2000 and even to the 50. They'll revisit this one here potentially. This pivot low below the first day opening range. Um, so potentially moving to the downside. Here we are falling in the MFC. We are red and in the MACD histograms and also in the stochastics. Very quick, let's do this. We are how many minutes? We are 2 minutes for news. Very much sideways in gold, in crude. ES also sideways here in this triangle in between the first day opening range. So NQ, same thing, right, teasing the top of this first day, but still inside this range. And then RTY is the one that moved below and then hit this support level yesterday and recovered, and now it's trying to move to the upside, but still, you see the MFC. This one is falling in the mid zone, so that one is bearish, and that bearish in MACD and bearish. There's a little bit of divergence here in the MACD. So potential sideways move to downside. Okay, let's see here. News in 1 minute. And let's look at the chart. So unemployment claims, building permits, and manufacturing index. The news for today. Let's see. We are 15 minutes, 15 seconds. News are out right now. Bearish move in gold. Initial bearish reaction in gold, actually. No reaction at all in ES or RTY. Unemployment's falling. We should be positive or below expectations. Building permits better. Manufacturing index negative. And housing moving up. So pretty good news, I would say. Let's see what it does. No actually big reaction in ES or RTY. So yeah, initial move to the downside, but now it's rejecting it in gold. We're below the cloud here. Very much sideways. Yeah, very much sideways. Not really doing that much at these levels. Pushing up a little bit below the cloud though. Yes, moving up as well. I'm not doing anything here. Just letting it go a little bit. Daily would be counter trend if we take a trade here to the upside in gold. Yes, moving up towards the previous high, and still looking at this. This is not a perfect entry. It could go all the way down here though, but you see momentum when it triggered is still above the zero line. and now it's turning red. Yes, hidden resistance, the resistance 1, and coming back down. This one seems that wants to go down, but it's not a good entry for me, at least. It's moving sideways, all of this congestion in the back. It may have potential. Too much congestion in this area here on gold. And since it didn't move that much, what I'm gonna do is to do a range here where we show some resistance up here and some support here, 2000 right at it. So let's see what it does. Yes, coming back down. RTY as well. And gold finally making a move to the downside. I'm not participating in this. Bit of reaction at 2011. There's a diagonal here. That would be it for the news today, I guess. Unless we are waiting for crude at 11. And here it goes gold to the downside. Crude to the downside here to the 2000 to the 2072 dollars, and then bouncing back up. Pivot point it's at 72.07. pivot point up here in gold. Nothing much to do. Nothing much to do here. At least for me, I don't see any clear entry yet. Transformation in RTY leading to the downside. This one really went well to our level right here, huh? Okay, that one, it's now automatically, that trend, I can delete that one. It was automatically printed by this indicator. Pretty nice move to the downside in RTY, coming back down through the cloud now. $20.11. 2011 in gold. Still in the range. Bounce off of the pivot point in crude. Ghost pit opens at 9 for crude. Okay, unfortunately, there's no trades for me today as of now, and we are about to finish the video or the stream. We're right in the middle of this range zone, most likely towards, the moving averages are stacking to the downside, with price also below it. So most likely we may go there, but we do have this couple of resistance levels here or support levels here. And I would like it to go all the way down to this area here, break the previous low, and go to the 2000 level, which may do, but I don't see any real entry right at this point. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna finish the video now. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.